Welcome to an exciting jungle adventure. In this fun-filled video, we explore wild zoo animal toys as they splash and play in the water. From lions and elephants to crocodiles and zebras. Lions are called the king of the jungle, even though they usually live in savannas and grasslands, not jungles. Lions live in groups called prides, which can have up to 30 lions. A pride usually includes females, their cubs, and a few males. A lion's roar can be heard up to 8 kilometers. Giraffe is the tallest land animal in the world, with some reaching up to 18 feet, 5.5 meters tall. Giraffes have spots on their bodies, and no two giraffes have the same pattern. Their spots are like fingerprints. Zebra is a wild horse-like animal known for its black and white stripes. Each zebra's stripe pattern is unique, just like human fingerprints. Tiger has orange fur with black stripes, and no two tigers have the same stripe pattern. Each one is unique like a fingerprint. Tiger is a carnivore, which means it eats meat. It hunts animals like deer, wild boar, bears are big and strong mammals that live in forests, mountains, and snowy places around the world. There are 8 different types of bears, including the grizzly bear, polar bear, black bear, and panda bear. Turtle is an ancient animal that has been around for over 200 million years, even before dinosaurs. Turtle moves slowly on land but can swim fast in water, especially sea turtles, which can reach speeds of 35 kilometers per h. Cow is a gentle farm animal that gives us milk, which we use to make cheese, butter, yogurt, and ice cream. Cow can sleep while standing up or lying down, but it only sleeps for a few hours each day. Cow is very important in farming and helps people all over the world by giving milk. Horse is a big, strong animal that has been a friend to humans for thousands of years. Horse has big eyes on the sides of its head, so it can see almost all the way around its body. Horse is a great helper. It has been used for riding, farming, sports, wild goats, especially species like the ibex, are amazing climbers. They can scale steep, rocky cliffs with ease to escape predators and find food, often climbing places that seem impossible. Wild goats have horizontal rectangular pupils, which give them a wide field of vision. Donkey is a friendly, hard-working animal known for being strong and stubborn, but in a good way. Donkey has long ears, which help it hear very well, especially in desert environments where it originally lived. Donkey has a gentle nature. Hippopotamuses are one of the largest land animals. Only elephants and rhinos are bigger. Even though they live in water, hippos can't actually swim. They walk or bounce along the bottom of rivers and lakes. Hippos spend most of their day in water to keep cool under the hot sun. Their skin can get sunburned. Thanks for exploring the wild with us today, friends. We had so much fun splashing around with our zoo animal toys and learning cool facts about lions, hippos, and so many more.